Exploring these different elements can be overwhelming, but in the long run, they will serve you well. To start to see the effects of a strong personal brand, you need a brand plan. This will inform your way forward. It is the implementation of the different elements we've explored that will make your personal brand a reality. To get started on your plan, define your mission statement. This is a clear and concise statement that states what your personal goal is. What do you hope to achieve with your personal brand? Next, define your key objectives and keep them SMART: specific, measurable, achievable, relevant, and time-bound. If you're an influencer, a SMART goal might be, within the next year, I will have landed 5 brand deals from a North American beauty corporation. If you're a business graduate, your SMART goal might be, in 18 months, I will have secured my first managerial position in project management at one of the Big 4 banks. After setting your objectives, break them down into tasks. Tasks are bite-sized activities that contribute to achieving your objectives. The I'm Doing It journal or mentor match plan are good resources to make this easy for you to manage. As part of your tasks, you may need to get pictures taken. You may need to work with a stylist. Your pictures would be for your LinkedIn profile or your website. Your stylist would help you revise your appearance. No matter how minor the tasks are, write them down. Keep track of them within realistic timelines, allocate necessary resources required, and make sure that you are monitoring your progress. As you go along, there might be tasks you no longer need to complete and others you need to introduce. Your brand plan is an ongoing process that will evolve as you grow. No matter how much you change, no matter how much change you encounter, stay on track. Stay on track with building your goals, towards achieving your goals, and ensure that you are building a brand that you are proud of. Lastly, revisit the questions that we asked earlier and see if your brand plan is now more aligned with your desired vision and if this is what you want to be remembered for. Again, it's 30 years from now. What impact have you made? What problems have you solved? Highlight 3 strengths that those who gather continually repeat about you. Highlight 3 interests that those gathered are sharing with you. Hope you enjoyed this course and share it with somebody that you care, and even those you don't care about, just so that it helps them on their own career journey. All the best.